Our frontline heroes are working around the clock to save lives. We can never fully express our gratitude for all they are doing. Thank you to everyone for making a positive impact on the world during this time. Rosen Nissan and Rosen Kia Milwaukee were established in 1989, and we are ever proud of our community ties and our long history of charitable giving to a wide range of charities and organizations. Without this strong foundation, without all of you, we would not be where we are today. During this time, it is more important than ever for us to step up and help out our community and those in need. We wanted to take the time to support Feeding America of Eastern Wisconsin. Did you know that in Eastern Wisconsin, 1 in 10 people are facing hunger? Feeding America Eastern Wisconsin is the leading hunger relief organization in the state. Our contribution will help Feeding America in their fight against food insecurities. We challenge anyone that has the means to please donate with us. Every penny, quarter, and dollar helps. You can donate at feedingamerica.org/donate-now or on either of our Rosen sites, rosennissan.com or rosenkiamilwaukee.com. Those are both our community involvement pages. Stay safe, and we are in this together.